This is lesson 86, number 24. I'm being asked to find the 3 cube roots of this and give exact answers. Do they want it in rectangular? Let's see. Yeah, they want in rectangular form. And that's okay, we can do it. Okay, so I want the 3 cubed roots. So I'm going to, raising something to the 3rd power is the same as taking a cube root. Now we have that demoivre that says that I can take the cube root of this number, so that would be 2, and then I'm just going to divide this number by 3. So 9 times 3 is 27, so I'm thinking this is 90. Okay, so this is polar form. Now there's going to be 3 of them, and we found out that you can, there's this little shortcut. It took us a while, but we figured it out. This shortcut, it says you can take 360 divided by 3, and that's how far apart each of these angles are going to be. So 360 divided by 3, that's 120. So I can just add 120 to 90 and get the next angle. And that's 210. And then add 120. And that gives me 330. Okay, now those need to turn into rectangular. So remember, when we write things in rectangular, I usually like to draw a picture of it. That's the radius, or I call it the hypotenuse sometimes, and that's the angle. So it's right here, and it's up like this, and that length right there is 2. So to write that, basically it's kind of like I'm writing this ordered pair, 0, 2, or you can say 0 plus 2i. Well, I'm just going to write 2i because I don't want to write the 0. Okay, so in other words, if you want to get to this point right here, you're going to move, as far as moving left or right, you're going to move neither left nor right. You're going to move 0 to the left or right, and then this one says move up 2. Okay, this one, 210 degrees. So 210 degrees would probably be around, I don't know, down here somewhere. It can be 210 degrees right there. And so that's 180. What does this angle measure? Well, that's 30. I know it's really small. Okay, so I have a 30, 60, 90 triangle. I know the hypotenuse, or the radius, is 2, and I need to know these 2 sides. So I can use my SOHCAHTOAs on those. Let's see, I'm supposed to find out how far, if I want this one, how far I'm going to move left. Then I would use, isn't it cosine? Adjacent and hypotenuse. So, oh well, I can just use exact values, right? This is 1, because we know this triangle. This is root 3. Because that's just my 30, 60, 90 triangle. I already know the sides. So I'm going to say that I moved left by root 3, and then I moved down by 1. So it looks like that. Or in other words, this ordered pair right here would be negative root 3, comma 1. No, it would be negative root 3, comma negative 1 if I did want to write an ordered pair for that. But we're calling the y-axis the I-axis because it's the imaginary. Okay, and then this one's 330 degrees, so that would be all the way around over there, like that. And again, this will be 30-degree angle. So as far as going right or left, it looks like I'm going to be going right. That's 1. That's root 3. Right by root 3, and down by 1. So these three here are my solutions, and I'll check that for you by looking in the answer book. Check it. Yep, it's good.